Hi, this is Hussein Al-Failakawi from Sub10 Systems. Today I will talk about how to configure the IP address of the Liberator V320 radio and set up the management VLAN. The V320 radio is defaulted to the following Class C IP addresses: Terminal A, which is 192.168.0.21, and Terminal B, which is 192.168.0.22. You need to configure your workstation or laptop with an IP address that falls in the same range. Let's use the IP address of 192.168.0.10. The subnet mask is 255.255.255.0, and you can leave the gateway IP address blank. To verify that you can reach the radio, use the ping command to validate connectivity. In the command prompt, type in ping space 192.168.0.21 and then enter. If you are getting a reply, then you're good to go. Proceed by going to the Internet Explorer or the Mozilla Firefox and type in the URL of http://192.168.0.21 and then enter to connect to Terminal A. It will prompt you with the username and password field. The default username and password for the Liberator V320 is admin password. Click on continue, then proceed to the network interface page. The network interface page is used to configure the management IP connectivity, the Ethernet interface, and how QoS should be applied to traffic data flow through the link. By default, management connectivity to a terminal is by fixed IPv4 address. The default IP address for the terminal A, as we mentioned earlier, is 192.168.0.21, and the default IP address for terminal B is 192.168.0.22. When DHCP is selected, the terminal IP address, subnet mask, default gateway, and the DNS addresses are acquired from a DHCP server. When using DHCP, the terminal cannot be managed until the DHCP client has started up and acquired an IP address. This happened approximately 2 minutes into the boot sequence. It is possible to manage a radio terminal from within a VLAN. When the VLAN option is selected, the VLAN ID field becomes available. The VLAN ID can have a value between 2 and 4096. When you enable the VLAN setting in a radio, any frames sent to the terminal's management agent are examined to see if they contain a VLAN tag. Frames that do not contain a VLAN tag are disregarded. However, frames that contain the correct VLAN tag are then examined to see if the VLAN ID in the VLAN tags matches the VLAN ID entered into the GUI, 701 in our example. Frames that matches are passed into the management agent, and frames that do not match are disregarded. By default, a radio terminal's Ethernet interface is set to auto-negotiate the Ethernet type and rate. You have the option to set the mode to auto-negotiate or manual configure the Ethernet interface to match up with your network requirement. Thank you very much for watching. You can visit us at www.sub10systems.com, and if you have any questions, contact our technical support. Thank you.